everyone, so today I wanted to show you guys my favorite kind of video, which is a Sephora haul. I am on a low buy, so I did not spend very much money beyond what I had on my gift cards. So for Christmas I got quite a few Sephora gift cards, which I was very thankful for, and I also had a Sephora gift card from the Sephora Rewards Bazaar. So I had a bunch of gift cards and I spent them all. A lot of the things I bought were replenishment items, so items that I use daily that I was running out of, and then I also got a couple new things that are really exciting. So the first things that I got were replenishments of the kind of daily items that I use. So I got a replenishment of my Caudalie Foaming Cleanser. This is my everyday cleanser. I use it morning and night and I absolutely love it. And then I also got a replenishment, you need to shake this one, of the Caudalie Beauty Elixir. This is like my toner. I absolutely love this. And I was getting low on both of these, so I was excited to get these. The next thing that I picked up was this little kit, and I really like it. It's called the Sephora Tough as Nails. Yeah, Tough as Nails Sephora kit. And it looks like this on the inside. And I didn't have one of these little manicure sets. And usually before I go to bed, I'll use a bit of cuticle oil and I'll give myself a manicure. And it's nice to have everything in one spot. So that's why I wanted to get this. I saw it online. I didn't know how big or small or how good the tools would look, so I bought this one in store and I really like it, so I'm excited to have that. The next thing that I picked up was a replenishment of my favorite conditioner, and it's by, I think it's pronounced Borogio or something like that, but it's a more kind of natural, clean line from Sephora. I think I've used like 3 of these now. I love this. It lasts me a really long time. This is their deep conditioning mask. I use it as a daily conditioner, but I only use a tiny amount and I focus it on the ends of my hair. And it is called the Don't Despair Repair. That's this line that I like, the pink one. And I really like this and I do recommend it. It's really nice. I just got 2 other things. I got a lot of Caudalie stuff. I just realized that now. I also got a new lip balm because I live where it's cold and my lips and my hands and my skin, everything has been so dry lately. So I got a new lip balm. I've had this before and I loved it. I got it with like a gift with purchase, I think 2 years ago, and it's the Caudalie lip conditioner. It's just a normal like clear lip conditioner and it's amazing. It has a really nice light scent and it's free of parabens. It's in French, of course, but it's free of parabens, phthalates, sulfates, mineral oils, a bunch of so-called bad things. So I really do like that, but I've used it before and it has such a nice light scent. I really like it and it really worked well. So I wanted to get this when I had a gift card to kind of treat myself. And the other thing I got was my very favorite hand cream. I've had not samples, mini sizes of this in the past, and I just love it. I really do think this is like the best hand cream I've ever tried. I like it more than L'Occitane. I just love it. So if you want to splurge on a nice hand cream, excuse me, I recommend this one. It is the Caudalie hand cream, and it's called their Hand and Nail Cream Nourishes and Repairs. It is hands down my favorite hand cream. And yeah, so I'm just excited to have these. Again, nothing is too crazy. I didn't get an eye palette. I didn't get a bright pink lipstick. Nothing too out there, except this last thing, which is a bit different. But for the most part, I repurchased things that I already know I love and that I had run out of. The last thing was kind of my splurge item, and it is this kit here. And you've probably heard of it before. There's a few different versions of these, and I got the Mount, I think it's pronounced Mount Lai, and it's the Rose Quartz Facial Spa Set. So apparently this company is like the people that started this whole trend, and it's a little box and it has one of those snap magnetic closures. When you open it up, it has their logo and it's got a little card, and then it actually has the tools. So I decided at first I was just going to get the facial roller, and then when I was using my gift cards after Christmas online, I saw that they had this new set and it was a pretty good deal in comparison, and I was reading about this little tool and I thought it was really interesting. So they give you a card that tells you how to use the facial roller on one side and how to use that other little tool, which they call the gua sha tool. I don't know how to pronounce it. And so they give you like little diagrams on how to do the facial massage. And I had seen this like so much on Instagram and I was interested in it, but I kind of thought, I'm not gonna buy it, like it's silly. And then I was reading an article about how important it is to give yourself a facial massage and how it helps with lymphatic drainage and anti-aging and all those things I love to read about. And so I started to think, oh, like that would be good. Maybe I should like learn how to give myself a facial massage. And then when I was at Sephora in the store and I just bought a couple of, I think I just bought these two things and the nail set, my first kind of venture out to use my gift cards. I was talking to one of the girls at Sephora and she was so knowledgeable. You could tell like she actually like cared about makeup and skincare and like knew what she was talking about, because sometimes I find the sales associates, I feel like I know more about the products than they do. But this girl was good. I really liked her. And I asked her about that Foreo or Fioreo, however you pronounce it, that little silicone vibrating thing. And because that was interesting me as well. And she said she had the biggest one. She had the pink one, which is for normal skin, and she loved it. And she said the thing she liked the most about it was that the back of the large one you can turn around and it also gives you a facial massage. So that I was really interested in. But of course the biggest one is ridiculously expensive. It's like $229 Canadian. So I did not want to buy that. And they sell it at Shoppers. So after I realized that, I was like, if I really want it, I should just wait and use my Shoppers Optimum points when the time comes. So I was not going to get that, but I realized that I do have sensitive skin. And I researched online because a lot of people say it's amazing, it changed their skin, blah, blah, blah. It's good for anti-aging. But a couple people, and I am one of the poor people that will be one of those couple of people, said that it broke them out. And I do not need that. My skin is like pretty good now, and I do not need a new device coming in and messing up my skin. I had a Clarisonic years ago and my skin hated it. So I decided not to get the silicone facial vibrating Foreo, whatever it's called. And when I was online, I saw this and I remembered that I thought they were really cool and they had this gift set. So I decided to splurge with my gift cards and get this. It also comes, I got the rose quartz because I like pink, but it also comes in a green jade and a purple amethyst. I tried to read about if there was like different properties or reasons to get the different colors. And for the most part, I couldn't find anything in like the reviews on Sephora. It was just about the color. So the jade one I think is like a couple bucks cheaper. So I thought about getting it, and then I thought, you know what, this like perfectly covered the amount I had on my gift card. So I thought I'd splurge and get the pink because I liked it a bit more. So I'm going to try this out. I'm keeping my receipt though, because if I don't like it, I will return it. Oh, and I just realized I forgot to bring one thing out that I got. I'll just tell you about it. I'll show it in another video maybe. But they had this really cool gel eye mask thing, one of those ones that has Velcro at the back, and it's reusable and you put it in your fridge at Sephora, and it was filled with glitter, which was really pretty. And I used to have one of those years ago from the Body Shop and I loved it. But I think I was younger and I put it in the freezer by accident and forgot about it, and it like broke or whatever. So Sephora had one for the holidays that was filled with glitter and it was so pretty, and it was only $10. So I picked that up too with my gift cards, which was really fun, but I have that in the fridge downstairs. So I can't show you that right now. But anyways, I really loved everything I got. I'm so excited, but I'm also glad because mostly I just restocked stuff I was running out of. So going in now, continuing into the new year, I still should hopefully not have to spend any money on repurchasing items I'm running out of. So I'm gonna run through all the samples I got because I got so many samples. Okay, so first I got some samples in this bag that they gave me for free, and then I got a bunch of loose samples. So, and then I got this, which I was excited about. This I got with a coupon code, and if you ever shop online with Sephora, make sure you enter a coupon code because they always give coupon codes. And I got this with one coupon code and this with another coupon code. So this is a deluxe sample of the Fresh Rose Face Mask. It says it's infused with real rose petals and it hydrates and tones. And it's a nice little jar, so I should get a couple masks out of this. I just want to smell. Oh, oh, it really smells like rose. It smells lovely. I was expecting it to be like a white cream, but it's like this like gooey caramel kind of colored mask. So that's kind of interesting. I'll have to read about it before I use it. But so I got that. Because it's so liquidy, I might get 4 masks out of that. I don't know. But anyways, so I got that, which was nice. Then I got this paper packet, which I'm so excited about because I love these. It's the Fresh, the Sugar Lip Treatment Collection, and you get to try 3 of the colors. So I got to try, or I'll get to try Sugar Honey, Sugar Rosé, and Sugar Petal. So that should be nice. I really like these. I don't think I've ever purchased one, but whenever they have minis as like a sample option, I always select it because I do like them. I got a sample of the Clinique Moisture Surge. I've used this before and I love this. This is a really good moisturizer. It's this one by Clinique. I got a sample of the Kate Somerville Wrinkle Warrior. It says it's a 2-in-1 plumping moisturizer and serum. That sounds fun. I'm excited to try that. I got a sample of Purity Made Simple, their 3-in-1 cleanser by Philosophy. I've actually never tried this and people rave about it, so I'm excited to try that. This I thought was really interesting and I didn't remember picking this at checkout, but it's called Gloss Moderne and it's Clean Luxury Hair Care. That's the brand. And this is a clean luxury mask, sulfate-free, paraben-free, and vegan. So this I'm excited about. Whenever I'm checking out at Sephora and I get to pick samples, I always pick the hair samples because first of all I have sensitive skin, so I can't try that many skincare samples, and I don't feel like you get to like learn that much if a skincare item is going to work for you or make a difference with just a sample. But I love getting the hair care ones, so I'm excited to get this. And I'm excited to try this. It's the Living Proof, it's got the word frizz crossed out, so I guess no frizz, shampoo and conditioner. I got a foil packet of that same Fresh mask, the Rose face mask. And then in my other order, because I had to place 2 orders because I had 3 gift cards and the checkout at Sephora will only let you put in 2 gift cards. So I had to separate my stuff. So I was kind of annoyed, but then it worked out because I got to put in another coupon code. So I got this with 1 coupon code and this with another coupon code. I tried to get 2 of these, but it will only let each user or account get the coupon codes once. So I just got one of these little bags, and in the bag it's filled with tons of samples, which is really fun. And the bag is like vinyl-y on the inside, and then it's got weird fabric on the back. It's like a textile-y, not vinyl-y fabric on the back. It's strange. And it's got lips on the front. So I got a little single-use foil packet sample of the Hourglass Lighting Powder. Oh, I've wanted to try this. They gave me Luminous Light and Ethereal Light, and I've wanted to try the Ethereal. Because I'm so pale, I think the Ethereal would probably look better, but the Luminous might be nice in the summertime. But that's exciting. I got a Tarte High Performance Naturals Creaseless Concealer sample, and the lightest one looks light enough for me, so I might actually be able to try it, which is nice. Oh, this will be fun. This is a Way. I think it's Way is how you pronounce it. I don't know. A lot of people on YouTube love this brand. It looks very like chic and high-end. I got a shampoo and conditioner from them, and it says it's their repair line, so that will be really nice to try. Oh, I got a Caudalie sample. It's the Vino Pure Serum, so that'll be good. Oh, this will be really nice. I like the mask version of this. This is the Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Face Cream. So it's by that company Fresh, but it's their Lotus line. And I have the face mask from this line, and I absolutely love it. Next, oh, this is a product that's been around forever and I've never tried it. It's the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, and I've never tried it, but people love this. I think it might have, I have to check if it has silicones in it because I think silicones break me out, so I have to check the ingredients before I put on my face, but it'll be fun to try if it doesn't. Oh, this is another powder. This is so neat how Sephora is doing these powders like this. So you get to try the NARS bronzing powder. There's a Versace perfume, and it's the scent Bright Crystal. Then there's the Laneige Water Bank Essence. It looks like they gave me 2 of that one. I'm not sure what it's for. It's an essence, so I'm guessing it's just like a liquid I pat onto my face. And then I also got a Protini Polypeptide Cream by Drunk Elephant. A Sunday Riley Autocorrect, and it's a brightening and depuffing eye contour cream. That sounds neat. And lastly, I got the Shiseido Benefiance Wrinkle Resist Intensive Eye Contour Cream. Oh, that'll be fun to try too. So I got lots of samples, and I restocked some stuff I was running out of and got a few new things. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul video. Please comment down below if you've tried any of the things I mentioned, or if you have any tips or recommendations for me. If you like seeing Sephora hauls and you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It's a great way for me to know that you guys like what I am filming. And thank you so much for watching. Oh, also, please remember to subscribe if you like my videos. I am uploading a new video every Friday. Thanks so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.